Is this working? Oh, okay. It's working. All right. Well, y'all seen the first part of the prop. Most likely he was taking it down. Right now, he's doing the meter bar and the lock.
National Grid will be here soon.
Yeah. So he has to get all this done right now. Started from that way, as you can see right here, from the right side. Oh, in his way, I'm getting in his way. Went up, came around, come here. That's where the meter stays. It's gonna come here, then it's gonna go up. It's gonna go all along there. Sorry about the light. Sorry about the light. Oh, over here tripping over the wires. First, it's gonna go over here. That's the all right. Focus. That's the boiler. It's also going to be ran over here. I'm guessing this is where they'll do their washing machine and their dryers. And then from exactly where he's standing, as you can see in the video, he would have to come all the way back here to this hole to continue on. So right now you're seeing the first step before the long process going over.
What we got going on so far? Meter bar's up. Meter bar's up. National Grid be here Monday morning, baby.
Looking nice. Nice.
It's good. It's good.